Six Nations Summit last year, 17th November 2021.
Oh, wow.
I presented on behalf of, I presented the entire history of integrative medicine when it started in India in 2007 by New Age Doctors Association. After that, 2013, we took it up in the World United Doctors
No,
and
but
Healers
whether some
Association.
kind of the integrated pathy is existing and it is surviving and it is doing some good thing.
Yes,
Okay.
yes. It is.
Uh,
It is going on at certain centers. Even my wellness center at home in 2015, I was doing that. So for 5 years, I was the secretary of the World United Doctors and Healers Association. Then I did all this work and conferences.
okay.
Then now through
Would
Earthkeepers
you
Connect.
please explain me how the integrated pathy is really working at your center and what is the vision you are
Yes.
having for that integrated pathy? Because
Yeah.
Crime Free Bharat Ayush model is talking about that integrated pathy and how it will be made available in each and every village of the country, and
So
it will be having a integrated system whereby
yeah.
the health checkup and everything will be done, and I sincerely desire that somebody should come forward so that बात पित्त कफ could also be measured. जैसे हम हाथ से सेंस करके जो है ना बात
Yes.
पित्त के को
Correct.
वो
Correct.
करते थे, क्या हम एक छोटा सा डिवाइस नहीं बना सकते हैं जो कि उसको वो करे और उसके बाद जो है ना बिफोर यू आर फॉलिंग इल हम उसके पहले ही आपकी
Yes.
सब चीज़ों को कंट्रोल कर ले जाएं, चाहे वो मिनरल्स की
जी.
डिफिशियंसी हो या बात पित्त कफ की हो या और अदर मैनिफेस्टेशन हो, एंड
जी.
ईच एंड एवरी जो है ना पैथी कैन प्ले रोल टू द बेस्ट ऑफ इट्स कैपेबिलिटी, एंड आई वेरी स्ट्रांगली
जी.
फील कि विच पैथी विल बी प्लेइंग ए डोमिनेंट रोल और प्राइमरी रोल, it will depend upon the status of the disease.
Right.
मतलब
So yes.
in
So you
terms of
have.
the framework, say if you have landed in emergency, then probably doing operation is only the option left out, right? So
Right.
in order to
Right.
save lives, we should not be really bothered if by anyhow the person
Yeah.
could not figured out by our integrated system, and if he missed his bus, then whatever best is doable at that stage of the time, that should and that could be done.
Yes. So this is there also in our model. Now our model, I will tell you some basis of it. I will give you some proof first of
Okay.
Ayush department.
Okay.
Okay. So